Why are you taking the bumper off on the truck we just finished? Good question. We have something very special for you. A way for you to be able to make more money and do more work with this Peterbilt. You see this area back here? This is prime real estate for none other than the Zacklift. Capable of lifting like 35,000 pounds, towing capacity of 85,000 pounds. You can go pick up trucks, you can pick up buses, you can do all sorts of recoveries, which is what we like to do. And it's their model that's made for more like going off-road, bumpy road style. So the Peterbilt will be able to go anywhere, tow anyone, and make any amount of money you want to make. All you gotta do is win it. But for now, we gotta get it installed. I only got like a week left of the giveaway, so we are going to put it in right now. You better buckle up. Installing the Zacklift attachment today, doing work with it tomorrow. Are you ready? Let's go! Let's go, Chris! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! About 14 inches is what you said, right? From this corner, this way to be able to mount your 2 or 3 bolts right there. Which means right now, our fifth wheel plate is slid all the way forward, and if we lock it in right there, you can see we're hanging off. We're not even close. So we need to now unbolt the fifth wheel plate, slide it all the way forward, which should buy us a 14 inches in the back, then we can lock the arm in place up here. This is, you know, adjusting. Move it forward, create the space in the back. Same thing we do in the back lot. We move stuff to the side, so we bring in more projects in the back, right? Yeah.
Zacklift detachable towing unit. These things are sweet. Turns any semi truck into a heavy wrecker. So basically the way it's designed is it slips onto your truck into the fifth wheel hitch, so it's not a permanent installation. Once you get it installed and get your whole system set up, it only takes a couple hours to, you know, take on and off. The first install takes a day or two just because we got to get like everything set, reconfigure a few things, but it's an affordable solution to go out and start towing. So this thing, once we've got the tow arm on the back, it'll be able to tow up to like 80,000 pounds. So like a fully loaded semi. If it breaks down, you go out there, you got a hydraulic wheel lift, it lifts the front of the truck up, you can tow whatever you want. This one also, we ordered custom with a winch. So it's got a 30,000 pound Warren winch on it that comes off of a wrecker boom in the back. So we have the ability to do winching with it. So kind of a hybrid tow unit plus light duty, well, not light duty wrecker, it's just not a high lifter. This thing's not designed to lift like a crazy big boom, and it obviously doesn't rotate. Got tons of winching power, tons of lifting power, and it's totally portable. So you go do a tow, pop this thing on, do it, and then once you're done with that, you want to go haul a trailer again, pop this thing back off, you go pull trailers. So very, very cool setup, built by my friends over at Zacklift. I've been wanting to play with one for a long time and finally pulled the trigger on it and decided to get one sent out. It makes it one of the most versatile trucks on the road. So there's a million different ways you can make money with this truck, and towing is good business to be in, especially heavy towing. New heavy wreckers right now are like $1 million. You go find like a deal on a used one, you're still $200,000. So this thing makes it very versatile and just adds to the appeal of this truck. Pretty excited about it.
The last piece of the base plate is like sticking out too far back, so we need to get a little more clearance in the back.
Those of you watching, we're doing this is the bracket that goes on the frame rail of the Peterbilt so that the arms of the crane can bolt secure itself to the frame of the Peterbilt. Now we have to be able to run bolts through both the bracket and the frame, and in order to do that we had to line it up, punch the holes, drill the holes, put it on, bada bing, bada boom, we got brackets.
Is it designed that you have to fabricate all this stuff for the kit?
This is a DIY.
Oh, the kit is not a complete kit. It's mostly there, but you got to finish the rest for your truck.
It's made for like universal, so you can put it on any truck, but
yeah,
you gotta make your brackets too.
And the party continues, my friend. Time for the next step of the Zacklift. We've got base, we got the green machine. I don't know what they're called actually. This is like step 3. So Dave and I went out this morning with Evan from Black Rifle, found a nice purdy bull elk that maybe we'll be able to celebrate with our friends here once we get the Zacklift on. But now that I got back, time to continue on with the party Zacklift. You ready? Are you ready? I think I've talked too much already. I'm just excited about the bull. That's a bad mamma jamma. Now all we gotta do is look at the PTO and picking everything up. I told Jaime that we just have to look at the PTO and he thought that was pay time off. So he's out of here. He's out of here. Put your attachments on here, hook around the wheels or under the frame. If you get the bus, you can put these little forks on there, go to the frame, chain it on there, pick it up, get it out.
Come here, you asked for snacks?
Yeah, flaming hot. Flaming hot limon. Flaming hot. Flaming hot.
Peanuts.
Peanuts.
Flaming hot.
Oh, still hot.
My burrito, not yours. Sorry. Off limits.
It's a tummy ache.
Yeah, that's a tummy. That is a tummy ache. Cheddar jalapeno crunchy.
Did you only get spicy?
Tapatio. No, you just wait.
Sorry, you're taking
You just
forever.
wait. Extra flaming hot. That one gets iron really thinking. Oh, I got two of
bags
those,
of
you know,
this.
because I knew he'd eat one and we need to share with people. But then, check this out. This isn't an advertisement for Maverick, but it kind of is. Look at this, guys. Yeah, jerky, original beef sticks.
That cheese sandwich?
We got a long day of work today.
Well, this is gonna put me in the bathroom, so.
Well, we got... Why are you eating my burrito right now? It's my free burrito.
So good when it hits your lips.
I even filled up your tank for you.
That one?
You ate my burrito.
Thanks for filling my tank.
That's not bad. Give me some more.
Give me some more.
No, I need more. That's so good. It's real good. Woo! Let's get going, guys. Let's get going.
Today we have a wild day. We're wrapping up Zacklift on the Peterbilt. Hopefully we can get the PTO all set up today and all the accessories put on so we can go out and use it. Needless to say, we are going full steam ahead, pedal to the metal, dropping gears, disappearing. I don't know if that one worked, but I tried. Close. Yeah, I tried. Step one. We skipped step one.
Okay.
Sometimes you go from the last step to the first step, like us. They're not outriggers, they're stiff legs.
What's the difference?
I actually don't know. I would think the outriggers probably go out, rig down, and these are just stiffly go into the ground where they are. They don't come out this way. Just an observation of what they do differently. Hey, just when you thought the fun was over, guess what shows up? Whew. Another Zacklift box! This is one we've been waiting for. This one's got the toolboxes and who knows what else, because then we can mount the toolboxes, the brake lights, finish connecting the hydraulic lines, and then make sure the PTO, the pump is working. We got a new PTO pump. Gotta make sure it engages and works. And it's party time. I'm talking, when I say party, I'm talking lifting buses, lifting houses, lifting this building and dragging it down the street. You wanna see what's inside the box? What's in that box? Oh, you might be asking yourself what that is. That, my friends, is a pump. The PTO engages this pump, moves the fluid from the tank to the Zacklift. So all we have left to do to make sure that it works is find out which direction the PTO spins, hook this pump up to the PTO, run the lines from the tank to here. So basically you got 3 ports here. You look right here, tank. Look right here, inlet. Look right here, cylinder. You hook up your lines. There's 3 locations. Make sure there's no leaks in your hoses. Make sure there's fluid in your tank. We should be ready to party. That's not a lot left. We're like at the finish line of the Zacklift to have it up and running here in no time. And guess what we get to do tomorrow? Zacklift party. go test out the old Zacklift. I'm hooking up the Freightliner to this cow hauling trailer that I got to take back to Provo anyway. We replaced the bags on it. This trailer's ready to party. Freightliner could take it all the way there, but what if a scenario happened on the road where the Freightliner dies and my customer's waiting to haul cows and I'm stuck halfway down there and can't go anywhere? Bum, ba, bum. Peterbilt with the Zacklift to the rescue. Comes, picks up my truck and just drives it straight down there. Cows get saved, Freightliner gets saved, I get saved. FVD saves the day with the Zacklift. That's what's about to happen.
So just like that, we have really upped the ante with this giveaway. As you can see, we've got the beautiful Peterbilt 379, the Zacklift tow unit that comes with the truck, but only if you place an order between now and Cyber Monday, which is when the giveaway ends. Plus, for Black Friday, we're doing 25 times the entries. So for any bundle you order, 25 times the entries. And then it's 15 times entries site-wide. So what would normally be 1 entry per dollar spent is 15 or 25 entries, depending on whether you buy something from the site or a bundle. And to top it all off, we decided to keep the cash in every order going. Now, it's gonna be at least $2 all the way up to $2,000 in every single order. So literally, it's one of the biggest, best promos we've ever done, with one of the best trucks we've ever done, and it's a serious moneymaker with that Zacklift 353 unit on there. Getting ready to tow this Freightliner to show you how well it does, and we're off to the race. So click the link and get entered now.
Just like that, my friends, the Freightliner and the cow hauler are safe back at the shop. All thanks to that Peterbilt 379 with the Zacklift. That just goes to prove what you are capable of doing with not only that Peterbilt, but with that wrecker attached to that Zacklift. And look at the possibilities, my friends. You could be doing a lot of work, making a lot of money. All you gotta do is get entered.